How to convert currency in Interactive Brokers. You will need to sign into your account, and once you have signed into IBKR, you will use the search bar here to search for currency. Once you search for currency, you want to scroll all the way down, and you have two options. You can either convert your base currency or change it, or use the currency conversion tool. If you click on account-based currency, then it's going to load up your account settings. We're just going to wait for it, and here you can change your base currency. If that is not what you were looking for, then we will search for currency yet again, and we will just scroll down until we see currency conversion and click on that. IBKR has a built-in tool which allows you to convert one currency into another, but you will need to have at least one positive cash balance in a supported currency. If you meet this criteria, then you will be able to choose the currency which you want to convert from and the currency which you want to convert to, type the amount, and then you will click on submit, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.